Hey guys, thanks for enrolling in Thermodynamics 1. I'm glad you are here and I hope you will enjoy this course. I've taught this many times and it's one of my favorite classes, and most of my students really enjoy this class when they take it. And they're actually surprised by that because they hear such terrible things about thermodynamics. But this class actually is really interesting once you get the hang of it. So before y'all get started, I want to point out what files you should expect to download and kind of show you maybe what they look like. So first of all, let's look at the outline of notes. So let me pull it over here. All right, so here's an outline that I've given you, and I'm kind of at page 10 already, but if you'll notice, it's going to have chapter titles, and then it's got headers, and then here I've left a big blank space. I left this blank because I think this material that we cover in the video is going to be best served if you actually write it down. All right, so if you see big spaces, that's why, because I would like you to write it down as you go through the video, because I think it will be helpful for you to remember the material. And then these other sections, you'll see I've got more text in here. That's because these are just more general concepts. I don't think they're as important as the equations and things like that. All right, but hopefully this kind of cuts down on some of the work you'll have to do with taking notes. All of the examples are numbered, so you'll see here, this is like example 4. Gives you the problem statement, and then it gives you room to work out the problem with me as we go through the notes. All right, and that's basically what it looks like. All right, now the examples, once you look at the course content, you'll see most of the examples have their own videos, and you can find them by just looking for the example number. All right, so that makes it easy. That way you can look through this section, all of the notes. If there are certain examples you want to look at, you can just go straight to the videos for those examples. So hopefully that'll be helpful to you. It kind of shortens the length of the videos by keeping everything in separate videos. All right, let's see what else we got. Next is going to be the steam table flowchart. So let's pull that over here. All right, so here is the steam table flowchart. Okay, so this is what it looks like. You'll want to download this for chapter 3. We're going to be dealing with lots of tables, and a lot of the time students get confused by which table they should be using. So I created this to kind of help you out. So you'll want to download this so you can follow along in chapter 3. All right, so there's that. What else we got? And then quiz problem statements. So let me show you what one of those might look like. All right, so here we have that. So this one you can just download. It shows you a problem statement, tells you what you need to find, and then you have space to work it out. Okay, and when you do this, after you get it worked out, you can always go and look at the video solution. Right, so you can check out your answers. If you couldn't figure out the problem, you can see what I did and hopefully figure out where you went wrong. All right, and you have quite a few of these quizzes. So, and if you'll notice, they're numbered as a, quiz 2 version 1 or quiz 2 version 2. That's set up like that for the people actually taking my class at the university. So don't worry too much about that. Just go in order as they're given to you in the course platform. All right, so those are the downloadable files that you'll want to look at, and hopefully you'll find them to be helpful. All right, so thanks guys. I'm glad y'all are here. Hopefully you enjoy the class. If you have any questions or need anything, please feel free to send me a message and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks guys.